what are we gonna do today?
Today we're gonna take the QLine to downtown, and lucky for us there is a station right around the block from CCS, so we don't have to walk very far. The QLine is cool. You pay like a couple bucks and you can get a 3-hour pass, a full day pass, a monthly pass, or an annual pass. Basically, we're gonna wing it, but it'll be fun.
We'll have fun. So here we are at Grand Circus Park. It's a beautiful day. You know, this location's good for lunch, good for coffee.
Catching up with some friends.
Watching the
Hanging
birds.
We are just at Grand Circus Park, which is now behind us. And now we're gonna head over to Beacon Park, which is
That way.
that way.
Here we go.
So now we're at Beacon Park in a really fun spinning installation. Let's just have some fun.
Out of breath.
So out of breath.
That was
We've
our
played
workout.
a sick game of badminton. We're
Sick.
super good.
Yep, so now welcome back to the QLine, back to campus.